What's up, all my Power Addicts crew? On today, whatever Wednesday, well, let's just say one of my subscribers requested to see the inside of a beep. I'm not going to tell you. Jeepaholic, didn't you request to see the inside of a couple particular items? Well, Jeepaholic, you get your wish today. But you know what? Some people may not be realizing what we're asking for. So let's just see if you can guess. Can you guess what we're cutting apart today? Yeah, that's right. We're cutting apart a muffler. I'm glad my neighbors put up with me. They're actually really cool people. Okay, we got the muffler here off of Project Rust Bucket because I wasn't going to use none of the exhaust components anyway. And since Jeepaholic wanted to see what the inside of a muffler looked like, I thought, you know what? Rust Bucket is a great donor since I'm not going to use any of that underneath there anyway. So let's get to cutting this thing open. All that rust crap through there, plasma didn't like cut through that because it wasn't getting good electrical contact. Now I think she's hot. Ta-da! So we have the catalytic converter here. You see how the cut's the same angle here, which means this is the engine side of the muffler. So the exhaust gases come through this way, expel through these holes here, and also through the end of this right here, because there's no cap here. They expel through these holes, comes out this cap, passes back in here, and also this is open on this end. You kind of sort of see my finger right there through those little bitty holes, and passes through this way and back out to your tailpipe. Now obviously we got different types of mufflers on the market. You know, your Flowmasters are chambered, where you got these little plates of metal that are welded in that creates different islands and chambers and stuff inside the muffler. You got your turbo style, which can be either similar to this, or your semi-turbo styles have the entrance here with a direct open pipe passing through this way and back out that way. They have the perforations blowing out into a fiberglass batting or something like that. Now, from best I can tell, this does not appear to ever have any fiberglass batting inside of it for sound deadening, because what they would do is the exhaust gases will come in here, blow out these little holes here and this hole at the end. If it had the fiberglass matting inside there, it would dampen the exhaust notes. Then the exhaust gas would pass through here, and there's some holes in this plate right here that you can't, I don't know if you can see from the camera angle. Nope, you can't. So there's this plate right here has holes right here and underneath right there. So the exhaust gases and sound pass back through here. There's a hole right here that it can circulate back through and go into this chamber and come in the end of this and through the perforations here and back out that way. So it's basically, you know, it just blows into here, out the holes, out this hole, fills up the chamber with sound and gases, passes through this hole or passes through here, back out this way, or It'll come through here, pressurized, go in these holes, back out that way. It just, I guess, whatever direction it decides to go in. But there's that muffler. The one on the muffler on my 91 model, I've got an old 40 series Flowmaster on my 91. And I've been cutting it apart for too long because it's like got holes all in it. It's been on there forever, and I jerked it off of a 90 model Bronco when I partied it out. So that Flowmaster on my 91 needs to be replaced anyway. So I'll be cutting apart Flowmaster whenever I do that. So there's the inside of that muffler. Now, Jeepaholic, you're the one that requested this stuff, buddy. So, Catalytic converter, what I was going to do is 2 different videos. This was going to be a Whatever Wednesday. This is going to be a different Whatever Wednesday. But I discovered something about this catalytic converter when I got it cut off. Look real close. Somebody gutted the catalytic converter. So you know what? Let's go ahead and cut it apart now. What do you think? Let me hook up the plasma. Alright, let's cut this thing open. I don't think it's going to be very uneventful because I'm pretty sure that it ain't nothing but a hollow shell, nothing left inside of it. We're about to find out. See, just what I thought. Now Tennessee, at least in, I live in Sumner County, Tennessee, and we have to have catalytic converters on our vehicles because we do the tailpipe sniff emissions thing. And oddly enough, you see there's nothing there. And this ain't past emissions, just as squeeze as it can be. They stick a mirror under your vehicle and they say, oh look, there's a catalytic converter there. But that just goes to prove how well that the Jeep runs. That it runs so clean and so efficient that even without a catalytic converter, it passed emissions with absolutely flying colors. So that's not to say that you don't need catalytic converters. I mean, that depends on your county, your jurisdiction, your laws, whatever it is you got to deal with. But here where I live, I got to have them. And I wasn't going to use none of this exhaust anyway, because I always do all my 4.0s with 2.5-inch exhaust all the way back. And when I get ready to start cutting this thing up, it's going to be in the way anyway. So that was rather uneventful. So next time I get hold of a catalytic converter that's got the guts in it, we'll cut that rascal open and see what's inside of it. So there you go, Jeepaholic. Inside of a muffler, inside of a catalytic converter. Sorry about the cat. It got kind of gutted, but we'll get another one. So what about Whatever Wednesday today? Wasn't as educational as I wanted it to be. We got to see the inside of the muffler, which had the perforated tubing and the baffling and stuff like that. That was all cool and all. I was hoping to see the inside of the catalytic converter a little bit more. Honestly, if the catalytic converter had been intact on the inside, I would have saved it for a different Wednesday. But being that someone gutted it, I went ahead and showed it today, showing, hey, somebody done knocked the core out of catalytic converter. Now you got two different style catalytic converters. You got a well, actually a few styles, but two main popular ones is a pellet style, which has like little, I don't know, pellets inside of it. Then the other style is like the honeycomb style, which all the air blows through this honeycomb stuff and burns off the excess gases that's coming through, the excess fuel that goes through. But this particular cat happened to be gutted, so it was rather uneventful on that part. But nonetheless, if you liked that video, hit me with that thumbs up down below, because there will be more Whatever Wednesday. And as I get different mufflers, different catalytic converters, and they're a different design on the inside, we'll cut each one of them apart so you can see the different designs of mufflers and catalytic converters as I come across them. Cool. So if you have not subscribed, you need to hit that subscribe button down below, because I do these Whatever Wednesdays and I do educational videos, so you really don't want to miss nothing. It may actually be something kind of cool, funny, weird, who knows. Just whatever I get froggy at doing, I guess. Oftentimes too, as with this video, it can be a subscriber suggestion. So if you subscribe, you can comment and say, yo Chuck, I want to see the inside of something. So be sure to subscribe and comment, tell me what you'd like to see. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, cool comments down below, tell me what you would like to see or what you thought about what you saw today. And everyone out there, I want you to have a great day. Peace out. Later, y'all.